Welcome to your Google Drawing Professional Development course. In this course, you're going to be completing 4 different lessons that are all going to take you from the most basic to the more advanced features of Google Drawing. For example, so the first thing I want to lay out for you is the organization of each lesson. So let's go into lesson 1 and take a look. So lesson 1 starts with just something I want you to look at. Then you're going to participate in a very brief online discussion. You're going to learn how to use the tool and then apply those skills by completing an assignment. So the thing I want to explain the most is how the Explore lesson works. So within this part of the lesson, you're going to be going through a table. So I've organized this because I want to make sure that I provide some kind of reading or text, because that's been some feedback. Some teachers would rather read more than just watch videos all the time. So I'm trying to respond to the needs of teachers. So so row 1 is like lesson 1 or mini lesson 1. So how to set up the canvas in Google Drawing. So there's some text. There's a small interactive that you can choose to do or choose not to. And then there's some video support as well. That's the first lesson. Lesson 2 or mini lesson 2 is the basic toolbar, an explainer, an interactive, and a video. Then you have the object toolbar, and again, explanation, interactive, and then some videos there. So you think about each row as one quote unquote mini lesson that you can choose to do just the text if that's enough for you. If you need some support, I'd probably go to the video, or you can even do as a third thing the clickable interactive. So really, I tried to provide several levels of support for all teachers attending this professional development. So basically, all the lessons are like that. And then after you do that lesson, you can expect to complete some kind of apply so that you can demonstrate some mastery of those skills with Google Drawing. Okay, and then lesson 2 will lead you through some advanced design features. You can think of lesson 1 and 2 as really increasing your capacity as a teacher or as a Google Drawing user yourself, because as a teacher, if you have more of these skills and how to use Google Drawing to make something very creative or just make it look how you want it to look, you're going to be able to help your students increase their own capacity in using this program. Okay, then lesson 3 will lead you through some examples of what you could use Google Drawing to present more information to your students, like a project resource hub, flyers, infographics, maybe even choice boards. And then also you'll learn how to integrate those products into Schoology. Finally, lesson 4 is going to help you start creating your own, at least one interactive learning activity, or you could choose to present a challenge to students via a project resource hub. So you don't have to do both of these, but the lesson 4 is really to lead you through creating something that you can use in your own classroom. So you can walk away with this PD with hopefully something that you can use the next week. Okay, and then also you have the End of Course Eval. Please complete this, and then you will be finished with this course.